Hello everyone. Next we will be drawing creatures out of circles. So for our first creature we will be drawing a bee. Add stripes to the body of the bee and add wings and add a smiley face. Next we will be drawing a beetle. So draw small little circles on the body, add the legs and color it in. Next we will be drawing a fish. Draw the fins of the fish and color it. Next we'll be drawing a mouse. Add nose, eyes and a tail and there you have. Next we will be drawing a snail. So add swirls to the insides and draw a snail. Next we will be drawing a turtle. So add the shell on top and add small little legs. Next we'll be making a hen out of our hands. So trace the shape of your hands on a paper, add some legs as you can see and repeat this process. Then on the thumb we will be adding the head of the hen. So add the top of the hen with the beak, add some eyes and the bottom of the hen as well and color it as you please. We have chosen to use many colors and color each finger in any color you like to signify the feathers of the hen. We have chosen to do it with red, blue, purple as well as green and the insides with beige and a darker shade of orange for the wing. Next, we will be drawing a house in a natural scenery. So draw the roof of the house in a triangular or rectangular shape rather and draw the ground of the house. Draw the door and some windows. We usually do rectangular windows with the grill. We will also draw the chimney of the house and signify smoke coming out. Next, draw the sun and along with the sun, draw the rays of the sun. Next, draw a tree right next to the house. This time we will be coloring our tree in purple. You can also choose pink. This will signify or make it look like some sort of cherry blossom, giving our tree again a very distinct look. Draw a pathway followed by more details of the house such as flowers outside. You may also add grass. Next, we will be drawing another nature scene. So start off by drawing your first tree. This is the most common type, a little fluffy cotton candy-like top with a thick bark. And repeat this process one more time. Make it look like the trees are on top of a hill. And at the back, add more bushes with some branches. Add some taller trees and add some clouds. As you can see, add faces to the clouds and the sun and then color it in. Thank you for watching.